Hello and welcome to today's listening practice. In this recording, you will hear several short conversations and situations from everyday life. The English is clear and natural, and the speed is suitable for B1 level learners. Please listen carefully. Part 1. Morning Routine at Home.
Good morning. My name is David, and I live in a small apartment near the city center. Every weekday, my alarm rings at 6:30 in the morning. I don't like waking up early, but I have to go to work. First, I turn off the alarm and stay in bed for a few minutes. I usually check my phone to see messages from friends or news updates. Then I get up, wash my face, and brush my teeth. After that, I take a quick shower. At 7 o'clock, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I usually have a cup of coffee and some toast with eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit, especially bananas or apples. While eating, I listen to the radio or watch the news on my phone. My wife, Emma, wakes up a little later than me. She works from home, so she doesn't need to leave early. We talk about our plans for the day while having breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I put on my jacket, take my bag, and leave the apartment.
Part 2. Commuting to work.
I usually go to work by bus. The bus stop is only 5 minutes away from my home. In the morning, the bus is often crowded. Many people are going to work or school. Sometimes I listen to music, and sometimes I just look out the window. I don't like standing on a crowded bus, but I use this time to relax and think. One morning, a man stands next to me and starts talking.
Excuse me, is this bus going to Central Station?
Yes, it is. Central Station is the 5th stop.
Thank you very much. I'm new in the city.
No problem. Welcome to the city. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes. When I arrive, I walk for 10 more minutes to my office.
Part 3. At the office.
I work in a small marketing company. There are about 15 people in our office. When I arrive, I say hello to my colleagues. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, David. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Not bad. A bit tired today.
I turn on my computer and check my emails. I usually answer important messages first. Then I start working on my daily tasks. Sometimes I write reports, sometimes I join online meetings, and sometimes I talk to clients on the phone. At 11 o'clock, we usually have a short meeting. Our manager talks about the plans for the week. Everyone can ask questions or share ideas.
Part 4. Lunch break conversation.
At 1 o'clock, it's time for lunch. Some colleagues bring food from home, but I usually go to a small cafe near the office. One day, I sit with my coworker, Sarah.
What are you having today?
I think I'll have a chicken sandwich and some soup.
Sounds good. I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
Me too, but it's not easy when you're busy.
That's true.
We talk about work, family, and weekend plans. Lunch break is my favorite part of the day because I can relax and talk freely.
Part 5. After work, planning travel.
After work, I meet my friend Mark at a coffee shop. We are planning a short trip together.
So where should we go this weekend?
I was thinking about going to the beach.
That sounds great. How far is it?
About 2 hours by train.
Perfect. Let's check the train schedule.
We use our phones to look for tickets. The prices are reasonable and the trains are frequent.
Should we leave early on Saturday?
Yes, that way we can enjoy the whole day.
Agreed.
Part 6. Evening routine.
In the evening, I return home feeling tired but happy. I cook a simple dinner, usually pasta or rice with vegetables. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. Before going to bed, I think about my day. It was busy but productive. At 11 o'clock, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. Thank you for listening.